Okay, we are locating the absolute extrema or the function on the closed interval, okay? So we have f of x is equal to 3 minus x, and then we have negative 1 and 2. First thing we need to do is find the derivative of f of x. 3 minus x, the derivative is negative 1. So there are no critical numbers. All right, so f of x is a line that is the absolute extrema will be at the endpoints of the function, so negative 1 and 2. So we're going to plug in negative 1, 2. F of negative 1 is equal to 4. Negative 1, 4 is our absolute max. We're going to plug in 2. F of 2 is equal to 1. So basically when you plug in negative 1 to 3 minus x, you get 4. When you plug in 2 to 3 minus x, you get 1. And so negative 1 and 4 is your absolute max. 2 and 1 is your absolute minimum, okay? So f of x right here, we got another problem right here. So f of x is equal to 7 minus x. And then you have in brackets negative 1 and 3. Okay, so you have f prime of x is equal to 1 because the derivative of 7 minus x is negative 1. There are no critical numbers. And so again, we're just going to plug in 1 right here. And then we're going to plug in 3 right here. And so whenever we do so, we're going to have negative 1, negative 8 is going to be your absolute maximum because right here, you're going to plug in 7 minus 8, or 7 minus 1 is equal to 8. And then you have right here, you have 3, 7 minus x, you have 7 minus 3, and that equals 4, and that's your absolute minimum.